up, Mr. Nation, and to my players. Welcome to the Nayful Podcast, Players Edition, episode number 43. We are coming at you live at the blog, Labtronic Solutions. And if you want to use these podcasting studios, you can send your email at admin@labtronicsol.com. On my left, we have Utulisile M. On my right, we have Obuhle S. On a good background, we have Utabo L. Igama lami ngicamaku K. Right, sis?
Because
okay, that's so interesting. Very fun.
Interesting.
Ufuna ukwaziwa wonke kawusetshwa.
Interesting.
Funa ukuthatha igama likathile
Ndilithathile nje belilami kakade.
Sensitsho like ufuna kube ibrand yakho.
It is my brand. The crochet brand. It's Tuli Crochet.
Oh.
Sensitsho from now on ungaphinde ube
Hayi
umaphongwana.
makandazi ngithulisela mapongwana.
And also, is it not like closely related to Eka Tulisi?
Yebo.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's why ngithi mafaka M kaloku.
What's her surname?
Tuli Pongwana.
Pongol.
Mine is
Ma.
mapongwana.
Maphongwana. Kukho kwisiphongo qha. Right, my sister? It's been a month singasabonana.
Yeah.
It's been a week. It feels like a month.
It's been 2 weeks.
It feels like 2 years when.
What's up? I've been around. Come on.
Yeah, I put in the chance.
Before you went to Joburg. This guy literally saw me like a week ago before he went to Joburg. Also, how random is it that uzoshiyistiko but awuchiwo about ye Joburg ingathi bayaphe next door like asicela ushiye sisitiko man ukhona umuntu ozazosithatha and then jiki you're in Joburg.
Awubona asingabantu bezisa aesthetics zinje ya. Asiza aesthetics zinje. Ndihamba. Come on.
Kwathi ningabhabhi.
Yonke bawela flight yazi ngekho flight.
Lena nibuza kuthini
ngabhabhi ukuthi wena umuntu wami
zange
sihambe siye Joburg we will take a flight kona more.
Is that the one thing we khalelayo
ebomini
bakho to take a flight? So sorry.
Hope you're right.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm in love. I mean, I'm loved super right. If you look at me right now, I won't bakola glow. Yo tandwa nokutanda. So I am happy. Happily in love, guys. I recommend it. Jolani, fall in love and fall in love with the person who loves you just as much as you love them. As for abantu abangajoliyo and yazi nifuna nona pebomini. Bulalen, perhaps, no? I'm fine.
Tipa, Mazmate.
Hey, Vetu, yeah, man. Tipa, man. Liantetelelo.
Tipa, no
Tipa.
Oh, TNT, Tipa.
Yeah, TNT.
Tuli and Tipa.
Yeah.
TNT. Yeah, money vision, it has Tipa. Hey, Bolaland.
TT. Okay. Yeah, show of it to Andy Crane. Kakhulu futhi.
Yeah, blush.
So. Hayi, ina ndomenza leyo namhlanje leyo menza akuncuma.
Ungamlibale.
Yabona ke wena.
Xolo.
Yajamba ke ngula
wena. Sorry.
Into ngayo pa ku Facebook.
Oh, sorry. Can you move ku Facebook?
Yeah. But I mean, unaela element of, you know.
I can't detain. Now we move.
Super gay, 100%. 100% all the time. I sleep gay, wake up gay, eat gay. Like I do everything.
And again, this is top. Okay. Cancellation. Sorry.
How are you? You didn't say that.
Yeah, and the grand though is a can't be 10. I'm just grateful, but via grand, so we are grand. Very young, August Jules.
How is it
3 times a day.
Buffet.
Ut morning. Ut lunch. Ut dinner.
What's different? There's meals in that.
Buffet. And then a bacon.
Uthetha language ezi13. Ngapha umenga Xhosa kuwe wethu umXhosa.
Interesting. Do you know how to speak any other language ngaphandle kwesiXhosa ne English?
There's a Shona, there's a Swahili,
You speak them.
More.
No, not
ndiyabava abantu.
Logo speak. We can all understand.
We can all hear.
Yeah.
It's similar.
Yeah.
Which one do you speak?
Sisixhosa sodwa.
English.
But wakho ndiva ndikhumshwana. Wakho ndiva ndikhumshwana.
What do you mean?
Uzani kwazi khumshwana.
Nyansela akakhumsha umbhexesha ingqubo. Hayi. I agree.
What do you mean? Ndinzela ukuthi kuboyithetha kuboyenza ngoku loo nto.
So I love you akaspan.
Hayi bo.
And besifumene ananoba i-compliment okanye yintoni kodwa besikhona into besiyifumene uba bayayithanda ehlobo ayiqhuba ngalo like iyavakala nakubani na yabo so uright ahlale phaa kwesasixhosa.
Aww.
Ndingabenza ndisithi hi guys it's a boy T to the T. Yabo ndibambela nje apha esixhoseni.
How many languages do you speak?
It's just 2.
Really? Do you not want to learn a couple?
Do. I want to learn at least 6, Shem.
Which ones?
About over 21 kunzima ufunda yena nje.
Yeah, apparently. Yeah, that
you can
one.
learn.
Shitsonga. Ndebele, I learned it.
These are all interesting.
But it's African languages most. And then Portuguese can.
Oh wow. Nibasinguni for Ibrai.
But yeah,
Portuguese and
Chivenda, Shitsonga, Ndebele.
interesting.
Yeah,
Chivenda sounds sexy.
Yes, that?
No.
That's
Those
the
are the
one
ones I
Tennessee.
want to learn.
Kaloku yo ndi halal mna sana. Yazi ndimvile ubhudlu ngoku ebethetha isidubata ngiqonda beyithetha over the phone.
Bada.
Oh, bekufone.
Nantso kuyibambile uthuli.
I just can't go fast.
Really? I can't even decode it.
Edewede.
Thando.
Ewe.
Yeah.
Edewede. DE or like last syllable yalandu ithetha.
I feel like siyasokolisa man. Edewada bada kopota. Isaka. Hayi ijali ithetha isijanga.
Ngubhede. What's that?
Exactly. Very complicated.
Yeah, there we go. It's not complicated.
Hi, my name is Bede Bidi. I come back Mnantete Sxhosa.
Madanete it is
Mama wake.
Bede Bidi.
Let's start the show never.
Okay.
Kutadude.
Besothina. Hey, ininzi into yenzekileyo. But I think let's start with the questions.
Yeah.
Yabo, and then we will see from there. What's for them to me? Those questions.
Really, we can go back and check some of the answers. But before we do that, the radio presenter in me is coming out. But before we do that, East South Africa guys qualified for the World Cup. So next year in June, come on, yeah. World of Champions. I feel like it's a good Ghana, you know.
World Cup.
Basiye Limpopo sinje sithethe nabantu abayi 2 3 4
Africa ngene World Cup ayikho icountry apha Africa yakhe yabamba World Cup
kaloku izawuqala ngathi uyayiqonda mos South Africa uyayiqonda
with rugby mos why not
cricket we're the first country to literally
nebhola amacherry
uyayibona
but ke okay
possible.
Guys, let's buy jerseys. Let's just rally behind Ibafana Bafana Denganywa. Let's support the guys. Wongumlapha funeka and yazi Total Sport kasami man noba ngejezi you know like skipper
Total Sport ungenapho
kaloku we need to be sponsored so that we rock merchandise. They sell jerseys. Zebafana Bafana.
Total Garage, man. Sorry.
Total Sport. Okay.
Unless ufuna uba ngwaseforte.
Bathina bafuni baseforte bona.
Bayachisa kaloku utsho.
Nasiba kawu.
Utsho.
Bathina bafuni baseforte Steve.
Uthi bayachisa kaloku ngepetrol le athetha ngayo.
Hey, so
do you want to talk about that?
We'll talk about it later. Nguye umuntu ozawunantsika. Nguye umuntu engicinga ba no Julius sizawuthetha ngayo Julie. No one is above the law. Oh, sorry.
Like personal.
Sorry.
Okay, speaking of that, I want to find out from you guys.
And ubupha ke obhikwa kubuphawe.
Babo
yeah, only went once. But ndifuna uyazi zeziphi opinions.
Is it behind the grey, beyond the grey?
Beyond the grey. It's about ideas that shape the world. No, it's about ideas that shape the world. So anything that is important or meaningful, we talk about it, from politics, business, tech, fitness, and all different ideas way too. According to the vibes. Otherwise, tune in 9 to 12 weekdays. Spoil if it, spoil it.
When I tune in, when I go.
Anytime.
Hey.
But like literally, chances are if you listen to Algoa, you'll hear me. Yeah.
How many hours do you do?
7s are from 9 to 6. That's 12 hours,
that
isn't
is
it?
a lot.
Where do?
Not there, 12 hours.
But like your show it in.
I don't have a show, I do news, my nigga.
Journalist
can Facebook kanjani?
9 to 5, 12 hours.
And yes, how many hours is that?
9 to 5, 8.
9 to
8. Yeah, but 12 ininzi.
12 from 6 to 6, 12 hours left.
So 9
so
to
6 to 6?
No, and yes, but
you don't know. Wait. Oh, okay. It wasn't that bad.
Come again.
At 6 o'clock, I am Thulisile Mapungwana. Good morning.
Drop.
Okay. When I was a child,
Say sharp fethu mamele voice lounge masibangena man guys let's get to the conversations.
Yes yamda sekhaya ndimuthiba kwindawo phula mamele kuzonza ibambile apha with a full podcast.
From now on umuntu xa ndisithi sizinothulisela Mapongwana uzawujoyina. It's 6 o'clock. I am Thulisile Mapongwana.
Tuli? Hell no.
Yabo.
Why?
Hell no.
Imnandi nje umuntu bene intro yakhe ndim ndedwa wenza into apha.
Yeah, but I'm not doing the news though.
But
hell no.
Xa usithatha ixesha kubucaza igama. Intro yakho leyo. Alright. Uyile date.
Practice namhlanje.
Yeah, mathi date ubanike inamba zakho.
What?
Abantu banike inamba zakho ngala eveki burengisha ngayo.
Hey, we libe lo uyaxoka lo.
What happened?
Wanikeza abantu abayi-2 inamba yakhe.
Uplithu driver. Hayi nizenenye bras. Hayi.
Kangeke kudate?
Uplithu driver.
Madoda.
Hayibo. Yangomso, but I
washa halala.
Coincidentally ndikhwele naye. Kandithi ndiye ndadrop imoto ku driver then ndakhwela taxi ukubuya. So ndikhwele naye lo muntu, we didn't plan it, but I don't know man, he's not my type.
Wait, you just met?
But I'm trying to not.
Injani type yakho?
I don't know. But
you don't know.
Yamazi umuntu kayengowakho, that's the thing.
Awuna type?
Apparently akanayo.
Connection. It's vibes. I must feel your vibe.
Hey.
Then that's what do you mean?
Okay, come masingamncame. Okay, we wakhwela naye ngokwathi.
And then we just spoke, and the whole time I'm thinking, okay, like what are you gonna say? Like what's gonna make me win your heart? What? Xhosa man, sebenza isiXhosa. You don't lazy antsala ngawe.
Uye wathini xa ithethe?
Umtsalo wena.
No, but this is what threw me off. Unomntana na 24. So I was like, I was like, no, it's okay. We are even. Does it matter though?
It doesn't matter. Umdala
nakunamntana.
The thing
is when I I think
Ndingubani igama lam? Zange kuva.
Oh. What do you mean? I know your name.
Zange kuva undibiza wena. Uthi wena qho. Bunozibukela ezwe wena man.
She's a girl. Girls do that.
Okay. Kafunde ophi, kafunde question.
Phumile ngokuzezwe, but I think one was asking Ubana, what's that one opinion that you are willing to stand on? Like that one opinion that you are firm and you stand on.
Buthinta Stephen.
No, ungafuna ngabe ngiseqonda nisafuna iqonda le no kaThuli. Le uba okay wakhwela naye qala wayethatha inamba la muntu ne.
Yeah.
So wangathi uzaba naye umdla wanaye. Jikijiki ngoku day 2 ngoku yaphinda dibana naye taxini.
Umuntu we1.
We
utsho nje.
Qala wayekhwele icangothuli qala. Yabo?
Yeah.
Wafuna inamba eyomdropa yena lo muntu kule ndawo beyomdropa kuyo.
Uthuli?
Uthi this is the second time bedibana.
Oh.
Yeah.
Uphwela imemelephi lewe?
Mina ndicima
so namhlanje ke ngoku uye wayibona ba le nto nancinga ba yiyo ayiyo.
Ntoni lo nto wayicinga?
Wayicinga ba mhlambi angamnika i-chance but now
angamnika i-chance idate yandoni kanti?
Ngoku uthi akaseyotayipha umbonile and then andiyazi baba yinto le nto bayithethile ingaki de yofika ebantwaneni abana 24 etaxini.
Part kwabantu mos.
Okay, mhlambi if he says this or if he doesn't say this, then I'll give him a chance.
Unomntana wena ne? Omncinci ofuna ugcinwa. Naye unomntana omdala osakugcina lo mntana akho.
Yeah,
yo ucama kusolo kwezana
seloko nje uyakhetha seloko.
Yo akalincinge le. Uthi lo mntana una 24 walo muntu uzakugcina umntana
wakho na 4.
Yet yena soza yenze londo.
Mna? Kanti
I don't think you would you?
Uthini?
Udate umuntu nomntana na 30.
Kaloku mna ndiyindoda mna. Umuntu onomntana na 30 that means una 50 uma oles lo anokwazi.
Ayingotata kanti yena.
He's probably the same age as my dad.
Kaloku
qala ungamboni okanye kabonakala.
No, I saw ngake once go one flash ali was.
What did he? Oh my God.
Uthini?
Oh my goodness.
Uthini?
Kabengwana. Oh my God.
Uthini?
No, my guys, I did I no.
Tabaku uthini?
uyamvezela imba.
Wamfleshela no.
Guys, please. What's kaloku wa flash name page yakhe yasemsebenzini. So I saw that he's a manager there. I think I didn't see him, but I saw that that's what he wanted me to see.
Is that the manager?
No, not necessarily, but it just means that we will be able to speak. You wouldn't be at that position, Gandhi, intellectually, you're not there.
Yeah. When you say you're sexual,
that's why kunzima uthandana nami, because you need to stimulate me somehow.
And it's time to say you're sexual.
You need to be always stimulating my brain because it makes Gandhi.
So
because it's
nomsebenzi ostimulator wena ulala nje uvuke ekuseni stimulator suka
okanye uzawubanjwa ngenkani nalo hloko leyo.
All over.
Yeah, Sabio.
Yevonde chas. Yeah, go.
Okay.
Sure.
Number 1. So kalapha kuwe ke mkhulu. What is your biggest financial regret? Keep it 100.
Siqala ku.
Qala kuye kube nemali.
Okay, masiqale kuye OP.
Zibi comments
hayi nxa kaloku fona emcimini.
Ngena ku Facebook wakhe kaloku tena ngakwazi.
So my biggest guys, I namali. So finances I don't know handlisha oko, but I think the one thing I regret when I do have money is the fact that sometimes I don't even budget. I just like dingena kuyo yonke. Otherwise I regret is gaba because I'm responsible, man, with the money.
But like, is there like enough money to do that?
Like I plan with my money. Iti ingena. Send yours by yapi.
But so that's budgeting.
So it's like, but I buy a lot of junk food, so that's probably the one thing I regret. But andinayo into fun because I'm responsible with my money and
my sister,
with everything else.
My biggest mistake.
Your biggest financial regret. Caesar.
No.
Since
Caesar is in land.
That's I don't regret that. I don't regret
no,
it at all.
land.
But nice. I would say putting myself under debt review.
Oh shit, yeah.
Because Valela, but at the same time, yeah, it was intentional though. Like I made the decision conscious. Okay, it's London and he has cut her off and there's a limiter with the debt that I have.
Ndifuna sike sithethe ngaloo nto ngathi nami ndifuna uba untshumpa apha kuloo ndawo.
Like I think mna iyanceda man to some extent because
kudala bendifonela man ezinto zo DS ntoni.
But like think about it because the thing is I wanted to upgrade my car but I couldn't because in as much as I can afford to have the car that I wanted and quasi because the logo it's a red flag.
How much
so when you under review what does that mean basically?
Like since you level 1 goes 1k to 10k, level 2 10 to 20.
I'm not gonna answer that.
Also, unpack the review. What does that mean? Does it mean so you've basically I don't know.
Uthe pha ku Facebook umama wakhe othuke wafa ubona umkholo wakhe ba uphinda phinda kahlanu.
Well, we had to follow me. But you must then ask your money neck.
Ufuna kujonga umama wakhe. Umama wakhe wayengapeyi ngaphansi kwe 7.5 or 8. Wena ngena ku Facebook wakhe ujonga umama wakhe ujonga ba wayengapeyi ngaphansi kwe 7.5.
That's a compliment for my mom. I will take it.
But uyibhalile lelo ndithethayo ba wothuke wawa umama wakhe cha uye wabeka i-payslip enzeni babetshile wo wathi tyhini mnam incinci kwalo ndikayo lendlini times 5 wagqiba wabulela wathi
also I think you like
imali
abantu bamkela malini
kwanza ndiya kufollowisha la career.
There's no money in journalism, dog.
Wait, noba umama kupeya 5k xa uyiphinda kayi5 ndingagrand.
You think so until you figure.
And
also until you realize how underpaid Mama like, was chances.
3 months was about right, but after 3 months,
it's nothing.
No, we are always like that. We always chasing.
I mean, kayeke
how we feel impendulo nansi impendulo umama wakhe
like have you worked you've never worked
he loved
that's how you're fascinated.
Yo, Tasiba, what is your biggest financial regret?
I don't plan ukuthenga imoto so ndisuke ndicinga ukuthenga imoto.
So you regret a way?
Yeah, kaloku ekugqibeleni ibingemali yemoto, imoto unayo futhi unazo imoto, yabo? You keep on thinking amaphela ucimbe fast ba lamaphela aza kwenza lento uyifunayo so uxabane no driver ngokubona ba awuyani obuyithengele into jongo uyayaba ngqobo uthengise enye imoto ngo, yabo?
So nemali ngokiphi imali?
No, ayikho ntswambu like xa uregreta ne uyithenga le moto fine nge-15,000. Yabo mhlawumbe uyilungise ke iyotsho mhlawumbe ku20 then xa uyithengisa under lanto ba hey man mayihambe lento ungayithengisa na nge18 ungayithengisa na nge17 na la 15 ubuyifumene ngayo so iba njalo ke eyami situation xa seyinto ndiqona indikile ndithengisa immediately
but irresponsible ngemali bra.
Yeah, yo sithemba yena nakasibethi imali sikuyi podcast sibethi imali sawunika yena
no anangxaki apho
asoze ngemali
dusty imake lento ye debt review ubusithini ngayo
into
I debt review ubusithini ngayo busithi 15
oh basolo kube ndifone kule ndaba yale moto yami ne bathi ndiya overchargewa so njeba ndibhatala le ndibhatala i4.7 every month. So bathi bangayisusa from 4.7 to 3.1. Ndiyayibawela loo nto.
It's possible, but it's a trap, man. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Uyenzile wena?
Yenzile mna.
Uyazola.
I was paying 9.7 for both cars. Go 7.7.
Yo, mali lapha.
Cars. Qualify immediately after uqeshiwe for zone.
Uyava xa ipeya ubhatala 9.2.
Also, if ubhatala 9.7 for imoto.
Lo mali yemoto.
And you still have to buy groceries. You still have to pay school fees. You still have to maintain the house.
He's almost like 9.7 because there was still insurance here. So it got too much.
9.7 insurance, school fees, groceries, and maintenance.
Guys, the responsibilities. I'm like, what are you guys talking about? I don't get paid that much.
Sazavume kaloku xa uthiwa ngemali uthuli uvile ngoku abesithi sithathile ubuvile
Bosh umista umhle.
Hayi ndithethi uba kuba xa kuthiwa u-grand in terms of ichweba
uyakhumbula ngoba sithetha ngemali uba excess siyadivorsa nguwona imali eninzi yo uthetha amaswaswaza swazazi straight
akachazeki kaloku ukuthi uyahaslisha. Okay,
yile nto nam ke umthatha wandixaka ndaqonda yo umke kwi-investment.
wayazi uba upheya manje umthatha?
Yeah.
Bafasa ka imali ayonto ma.
Yeah. Like, guys, I'm masiyeke mo.
Nam noba
Ndithethe
amadoda uyawabekela i-payslip ahlale thaca.
Everyone changes.
ngathisa ndibe wesa ka imbebhetera.
It depends. We can't know because awunayo. Asikwazi uplanela.
Ya komntu othetha kamandi ngathi umuntu
Umuntu
ongenamali.
uyachinja. Bakhona abantu abazawuthinjela.
mhlawumbe ungashiya la.
You start to say no to
Ucama kusem ndimthembile. Sorry banditsho. Hayi sorry banditsho like ndikubhack up.
akade so.
But ndinethemba xa njonge wena.
Sonjini. Soze nindazi nani nje. Ngabona kumnandi xa ushuta. Ndithi gift for wena. Ne gift for wena. It's been a great year. Anazi into nina. Ndibe
Satama bene shoot man OB man.
Questions zakho chum.
What is the most beautiful feeling in the world?
Sure. Right now, waking up next to my son.
Oh, bantwana.
Yeah. Right now.
Kuwe. OB.
Feel like nam ndiyarhalela uba nomntana because I feel like xa unomntana uba ne-sense of purpose man like
Ufuna aphume kuwe okanye ufuna uadopt?
Uadopta ta andizishaye ngala vibe yozala nintswambu for yona but I'm good. Like I'm okay. I'd rather not. Also nala process yokwenza umntana ebo like it doesn't.
Awuzotofa kaloku.
It's a lot.
Thanda natural wena.
Zonke processes ncanyo nenaliti but the most beautiful thing kum was definitely
ngenaliti hlasumla.
You'd be terrible as igqirha yazi. I feel like noba ndingazomamela indaba I'd never believe you. Yes. Ingathi ngalela gqirha linjalo. Dark cloud. Ndiyayiva.
Ndingaligqirha strong. Kwa igama lami yaliva mos.
Camaka. Yeah, no.
Okay, beautiful moment.
What's the
beautiful moment?
Orgasm, but okay. That's deeper. What is the most beautiful feeling in the world?
Yo, ngenxa yoba ke ndisitsho ndisithi susela uba ndingazazi uba ndagqibela nini ukonwaba uthe ndonwabile. So andiyazi andikwazi uphendula lo mbuzo.
Hayi Thaba manje.
How sad man.
No ndithetha inyaniso akusubi khona into mhlawumbe nothi ndishota ngayo but ingxaki endiye ndibe nayo ngabantu abandingqongileyo basoloko bengekho right then I have to uba ndincede bona and then xa unceda bona ke ngoku awukwazi uba right wena siqu mna most of the time ndisoloko ndinceda abantu so ndixabise abantu kakhulu kunam.
Yo.
So andiyazi serious.
So enhle
Andiyazi
awuphilele
into
wena
emnandi.
ta. Awuphilele wena.
Yeah?
Awuphilele wena, uphilela abantu aba around you.
Ndiphilela mna
Yeah.
OB but abantu uyazi lento inje uyadibana nomuntu mhlawumbe ndiye ekhaya esithi uoleti hey bandi noba ne-5,000 mntanam uyikhuphe i-5,000 uyibeka apha yabo uhambe xa ubuya uthethe enye into yabo akathathi icwaka and then ayikho mandi kum ubona umuntu o-close kum ebethakala.
Boundaries though.
Yo.
Uthetha uthini ke ngoku?
Like at some point you have to like, and did it be selfish? Like giving is a good thing. Now I have the same problem. Like in the bonus and mali in the but at least I gave. It makes a difference because
Yes.
but like I was also if you always pouring from an empty cup.
Nocamagulo uthethayo njalo. Wonke umuntu mhlawumbe nawe but nawe because ungumuntu okhathalayo. Yabo?
Yeah.
So nawe
Hayi thaba mina ndiyakazutensa man. Ebeke uzutense xa unayo into but if uzixelela ungento like you
Aninoskiva ke mhlawumbe noba ngu-McDonald's kanye pizza.
there'll always be takers in the world, yes. And
Oh,
when
Guys,
givers are
guys, okay, sorry, OPA.
yeah, he's being serious. And like Nyani, there'll always be people who are expecting. And the cow bono ingathu nemali, there'll always be people like you kuba like I don't know. But now I feel bad. Was kuba kau na umuntu nje ke robotsini buqonde ejongani lambe kwamna but uzomnika uzomncamela lento yakho kuze ayazophinda utye. I think it just I don't know. There's no balance in between because I don't know because I feel bad xa ngamnika umuntu.
so anawo amazophendula lo impendulo yakho.
But kabe happy man kabe right.
Awu feel great na xa unantsikile.
Naxa nje?
Hayi suka.
Ntoni?
It's not
Awu.
I just
You alone. Yeah, ever studied with serious fucking
Puma outside.
Loo nto le hey ayicamaku brother. Ayonto ilonto. Akho nto ilonto. Mina ngangayenzi lo way. Andiyo ya.
Hayi that's deep.
Hey.
Hayi that's deep. Yeah.
Uthini
Tethinyani.
wo? Ebhura khawuphendule wena kandiyeke.
Tethinyani.
So
Uthe idon wena.
But
Best feeling in the world.
I didn't say anything.
Oh, kathethe.
Yeah,
It's probably having money, guys. That's my favorite feeling in the world. When I have money to spend, money to enjoy, money not to give anyone, but to enjoy it on myself. Best feeling in the world. And now, okay, that means I haven't had any beautiful moments for the past couple of years, but years awethu.
Siyastruglisha kula podcast.
Kwambunca nje.
Sistruglisha abantu abayi-2 poof.
Hayi,
wena
it's just us.
Eh?
uthini wena?
U-TNT abana abayiva lento.
Yava kwanemoto. Umuntu uyimoto zami akathi imoto yami. Omnye 2 omnye 4.
Zinjani inyawo zakho bra?
Thina sihamba ngenyawo.
Siyadanyaza ezikhamera kawuthethe.
What answer kaloku now?
The most beautiful feeling in the world.
Uzilo shem. Okanye uya-acta.
Akayo feeling uzilo. Ba uyakunothwa i-gift. Anganguye but like the and yazi man.
Nansoke. Ikwazi unjalo.
Not having his dress perhaps.
Ayinayo asoloko stress mnenxaki. Anayo indawo endingena stress kuyo. Ndivuke ekseni ndine stress oba yes sifuneke ndivukile. Oko ingqondo yami cinga ihamba 120 ayiphumli yawo.
So ndim ingxaki kodwa nawe unjalo.
Lelo nditsho ba mna nawo singi-oil namanzi.
Oil no oil.
Awunyanisile. Naye ucinga isidala. Akanaxesha lokha aphumle.
Yeah.
I know.
But with I think man it's xa usendela pictures zakho mhlawumbe bayile baya kuloo ndawo. Ubone happy umntana okanye ubone ivideo ehleke unwabile.
It makes you feel good.
Man.
Aww.
So ke ndiqonda
Like xa ungumzali nyani, like ukhathalela omnye umuntu more than you care for yourself, like possibly like
I think xa na 18 zawuyeka umkhathalelo.
I don't
like uyambona bra uqonde oh this is my child.
But kaloku uzabe kanti se-equipped for uba mangaziphilele life wakhe.
Like how do you know uyamthanda umntanakho? Like
don't stop. My advice, don't stop.
Ngoba?
Because I'm in
Because I'm not 18 when I'm thinking that
what do you, I still need him now, but so okay, I disowned him.
Yeah, I'm thinking that
Tatam. Kaloku yile nto bendisoloko ndiyithetha utatam uyandimana uba wandenzela ntoni. Like ndikhe ndive abo bantu bathi hey kumandi ukhula phakathi kutata nomama phofu kwabakudala yabo. Because Tina, mna I'm there for Alpeli, ndiyathetha no-Alpeli yabo, but utata wam andiyazi uba wandifundisa ntoni. Ewe ndikhule notata nomama kwispace esiright, but xa kuthiwa utata wafunda ntoni utata yakho, akho nto ndayifunda kutata yam.
Yabo.
Izinto ndizifunde.
That's why naye ingosi yami izabe ngandingi by 19.
Is that say ufunde next year
with a female.
No, no, I think when
but ufundile kumama akho.
Yeah, already yathethe.
Okay.
Like already yathethe. Yo.
Nangezenzo akhondo xabo wayibukela itime yenza uqonda okay you know what ndiyayincanywa lendlela itime ayihambayo.
Itime ikhuthela ithanda usebenza ngezandla. Mina anosebenza ngezandla ndiyabhatala abantu. Bakhona abantu abanothenda benza zonke izinto bezenziwa ku-timer ndibabhatala.
Siyazama uyi-enlightenisha le way.
UTNT are just like UT is like
umdisonele ndoni wena time.
Because as I said, I still needed my dad. And every time I told him, like, this is how you meet me halfway. Like, call me, like, check in, like, let's do dates, let's send something. He didn't put in an effort. I did, but not at the same time. He was financially present some of the time, but not emotionally and physically was not available. Even like my stepmom was just not the best. So I would go talk to him like, okay, this is what's happening. He's like, what can I do about it? So he never really stood up for me when it mattered. So I think like it happened like last year in February. It's been a year. It hasn't been a year. It's this year. I'm glad again, but like my nigga, like this is how I need you to show up for me. He was like, no.
Do you think you've got like daddy issues?
The problem is.
Do you think you've got like daddy issues?
Yeah. Yeah.
Daddy issues. No,
I mean, but
like I've dealt with a lot of them though, because I found out like as soon as I got to university, but this nigga damaged me. Hence I was reaching out still. What do you mean? You can't like just a temper like he stayed here. Full time or he could come here and 2 years would pass and I'm born. And then it would be a thing of house and I'd get ready and I remember and Linda from morning until late. So it's things like that growing up. And then I'm still trying to reach out. I'm still trying to have a relationship with you because you're still alive, but you're still not meeting me halfway. And he thinks that just because we're under the same roof, he's doing enough. Gandhi, you're not talking. I don't learn about what did I learn? The fact that I just need to be smart and educate myself because he's very educated. So I don't understand how can he be so dumb when it comes to just isn't emotional.
Imanu uxelele mntasekhaya. Yazi into ekufuneka ni understanding amadoda ne. Amadoda are not caregivers. Yabo? Amadoda are providers. And mamela ke mntasekhaya ndiphinde
ngaske abese camera
mamela mntasekhaya nansi peace ndikusikele lento. Yabona indoda if utyile unamayeza uright ayizukwazi uba lapha ecangwakho. Izayozama enye imali. Tatakho into ebeyenza ebekunika imali yonke uright uba uyafona uthi Thuli uthi ufuna malini wena ufuna lonto you want love ufuna utatakho abe khona. So yabo utata wami notatakho utata wami mina bendisive ebantwini ba uyakuthanda andiyazi lonto uba utata uyanithanda. That's what I'm trying to do ngoku kunyana wami ba ndimane ndimkhumbuza ndisithi hey ndiyakuthanda because mina zanda ayifumana lonto kutata wami but ndiyayiva esithubeni ukuthi utatakho uyakuthanda. Yo naxa ndiye kwenza sikolo ebephangela kuso ndingena kuzo zonke eza class emane sithi nangu Thibha nginyana but lonto leyo akhandiyazi andiyazi.
That's my thing.
So uyintombazana ke wena onobuwesi
Cousin.
No. The right up namhlanje. Camera but then ndikutshoyo utatakho understand umbulele futhi ba noko ukulenda ukuyo ugrand but I know when ubumfuna physical ne
and emotional
and emotional lonto leyo kuzayifumana pha kunyana yakho khawuzama uzenzela but wa understanding amadoda ba ndithetha ba mna unganigada ndigula ndikhohlela ndigula ube lapha kodwa wena xa ugula ndikho mna zakuphathela amayeza ube right kodwa make sure amayeza unawo yonke into unayo then I'm gone.
So you have to accept.
How do you feel about that?
But Oksala, he hasn't tried to contact me. So at the end of the day, he doesn't feel like he's lost anything by me not being in his life.
And you've expressed this to him.
So I don't know. The go is minimum.
Lona upam kwakho unjani towards one?
We were okay until we were not anymore.
What happened?
I think he got a bit jealous because the second born and he's the firstborn. The thing is, my dad saw me as the firstborn because that was the problem that we had. I don't know what happened.
So now you finish and you finish shy.
So I don't know. I honestly don't know.
How many are you?
There's 4.
What's your relationship with the other 2 girls?
So like they're fine, but again because Gabaga stepmom, we don't really see each other a lot.
Stepmom unjani towards one?
She
I already said.
Is that not weird having like step siblings?
Umama ko wayena yimntu na happy naye.
Then my mom is married.
Oh, so unaye ne stepfather endlini?
Yeah.
What's that dynamic like? Namdifana nawe otherwise.
We don't have a relationship.
With your stepdad?
Yeah. It's just
uthini xa umbiza? Undondo sister wakho?
Yeah, brother.
My brother, little brother yakho. No, unobala umntana one born.
2.
So you have 6 siblings?
No, 4. 4 on each side.
8 leyo.
Kalondimi common denominator.
Okay.
So 4. The first born
by 3.
Okay. 3 after.
Sure.
Then
4
second born kutata kuze 3 after. Then kuthiwa ukhona nomnye ke
on your dad's side. Unjani stepfather nencokoli?
It's just casual. So
ibingasikathini yena?
Hayi ndingasikathini.
Ngoba utheni? Umphathe njani mamakho?
Yeah, mfundini like at this point like it doesn't and is fake kunto ezingangeni.
What's the environment at home?
Okay, maybe don't get into it because it's a podcast.
There's a lot.
My question
it's
is,
a lot kanjani?
It's people's like
it's a podcast also.
And that's not thank you.
Okay,
like what
I've got a question.
Kunjani xa ungena? What's the energy, atmosphere like?
Yo, Kamako. Sikwethe kaloku utachu.
Like jonga wena tasipa yabo ndifuna ubona manje ndimi wayiraka nawo kanye ngokutheni yabo.
Ayiba ngathi wena like tense kubukhona.
That's what I thought mina ndandihlala ka7 nesister kama Oles yabo andiyazi uba Olate wayinisele umhlamba wayinisele kuba imbava yayingandifuna andiyazi lo way yabo so ke ngondiyabuya ndizohlala ngapha but nqone nanoba bekunje nakho before ndifike okanye kunje ngelihlobo. So I'm trying to ask again to check kuwe ba.
Can I just answer you? I just thought about something to answer you. The reason why I moved out, I was university for 4 years and then I came back and then Nahlala Nabuge full time. The reason why I moved out is because he was shouting endleleni drunk ba he doesn't want anyone else in his house but his kids. That's why I moved out.
Oh.
So I thought we were fine, but apparently we were not.
Nami ngosensoluka watsho ba sosendiyovisithela umntana ongengowami naye.
Yeah, so umuntu uvela akayifuna uvela but ke mina ke ndayibamba lonto hence umntana mehlala kum ngoku because if awufuni mina then
what are the steps and the measures you're going to make or take to protect unyana wako from
something similar?
because guaranteed stepfather.
Yes.
Guaranteed stepfather.
But kaloku hence ndingafuni ukwanto udibaniso nenye indoda guys my child because no like nyani like that's the biggest thing endiyicingayo is that because unina uba tense with just another male nje engeyo boyfriend noba zayithethiswa eshop ngenye indoda like he just tenses because why
ukhona abantu abavumelana nami ku TikTok ba
ebethe izanaye
uba uze naye apha
aqhelane namadoda
ichomi zakho sina sikufuni thini.
I also love the
idea ndilungise lento jonga thuli futhi yabona ke ngokungathi ufuna uncama uthando ngokwehlobo wenza ngalo because utata kanana akekho and akazubakho yabo so now xa uzawuvalela ulonwabo lakho ba ngenxa yokuba
kodwa nawe usithetha ngolonwabo awuexpect nawe awulazi lonwabo.
It's for you to continue to create like a safe space for your child and be intentional about the type of men you want in your life and the type of men that are going to show up for your son and for you. So as our optics just as long as you will make sure that you're not necessarily your mom who will prioritize a man over her kids. I'm not saying that's what she did.
I don't think that's what she did.
But those dynamics are weird.
You cannot put.
It's just making the wrong choice, guys. Kete wrong, and then now she's already
because
married.
I mean,
Kete wrong. Kete wrong.
I mean,
mamela ne. Yakwazi ba ngumyelo right.
You can be a good.
But ungabi ngotata grand.
But kaloku wena as umama unoxanduva.
Wena as umama ukhetha umyeni awukhethi tata.
But you must think of all of those things. I know what you're saying because Tata Kanino was a good boyfriend but a bad father.
Really?
Yeah, like
my dad was a great dad, terrible husband. And partner.
The dynamics is different.
I wonder ndintoni mna.
Utata ko wena
ndoni. Dad wena andazi but okubujola musi.
Okay.
So like uba uzibambe zoyi2.
Okay. Uthi utata muthe.
Ayibukela safuna sigqithe.
Le podcast ayibukela.
Ndibuza kuwe mna ba utata akho ungathi wayendoni waye strong kuyo. Waye strong ekuba ngutata kuwe okanye waye strong ekuba ngumyeni kumamakho.
Hayi ungambuza into ezinkulu ubuza amanyala ngoku xa engumyeni kumamam hey
kalo senze umamakho waye happy ngokuba naye more than wena happy ngokuba ngutata engutata akho.
Andiyazi taya yabo ndicinga laa nto uthi tatakho ithi le nto yakho
and for me I feel like he's selective ekatatam because he was a great dad kwabanye abantwana but I think a terrible dad to me and just a terrible partner to everyone involved so it's just like the question I wanted to ask you right was how was that conversation with your step siblings right on your stepmom's side. You share utata,
right? Step siblings.
The step siblings. Half siblings. Yeah. When your experience of umamabo isn't that great yet, umamabo is everything to them, and it's like, oh wait, what do you mean utu umama we to unje? But our mom is actually amazing. Is that not awkward? We don't have a relationship.
Some manufacture something. Some manufacture something. Satumela mama siwe pa yochiswa amna.
Do you know what's funny? I was presented.
Uchma honest. Uchilo ngoku towards the end yakhe ba uyavuya that I have grown to this age because she once lost me at a very young age. Umntu owayegcina mna wayeyichomi nomntu owazana naye wamnika into yoba mandiyitye and then lo andityisayo uthuka ba le nto iyakhawuleza iyasebenza le sisu sakhula sapepulu sathini angathi ndiyadubula
uyazi umkhwanasi.
That is wild. I almost interviewed my half sister. Yeah, someone said Nangumdu, talk to this person and said, yo, it's my half sister. We know about each other but we don't really have la relationship. And then she found out and she was like, you know what, Masieke, Yeah, she was like she had confirmed the time, the date. Uhlala eMthatha, so bezasuka eMthatha zabe East London. Wava uba I like somehow was like involved in that whole process. Wati engosini bras. And
Like,
basayenza
how
interview.
do you share?
Outsiders, ne?
She was just like, and the phone, and I'm like,
I don't have a relationship. I didn't have a relationship with the stepchild, but like, my half siblings, I don't have a problem with them. Like, like every time I see
Despite
them, I haven't getting down. Like we grew up close, Shem. Like I saw my Minimotuka when 18. Like especially this December. And it was like so bittersweet because he looks exactly like my son. I was like, guys. And it happened at a time where I was thinking about, okay, but if my mom passes away and I'm the only parent alive, but then I was reminded that actually I have siblings that are actually, so it's a bittersweet moment because they're not really your family, but they are this, I don't know, man, guys.
It's weird, man.
Guys,
and if you want to have another child,
please,
go back to that one. Just ask for a child.
What's a leg?
Oh.
Okay, next question.
Well, sorry.
Wait to close the conversation.
Kuwe lona okusizama ukuthi hayi wena yi andonwabanga mna
lapho tu ekaqathuke
okay akumelanga kwenza joke ngale way ne but
Land of men don't speak out because ingxaki zabo ziyahleka.
Okay.
I needed him to have his moment, guys.
Okay,
ingxaki ziyahleka. Yebo?
Yeah, lentuzi ufuna ibhedu.
Just tiphu yakho nwabanga.
Ipha khona man. Ngicula ke bhedu pha. Yeah. So number 3, what exactly do you gain? Do you even gain from being celibate?
Mental clarity, dog. Like it's very noisy when you intimate with someone. Yeah, because like you share energy, you exchange energy more. So whatever they're feeling, every experience that.
What's your energy like, Chomo?
I don't know. I've never slept with myself, Galo. I wouldn't know.
Okay. Oh, sure.
Yeah? But for me, like it's peaceful. Like I have more clarity.
Oh, celibate.
Yeah.
And how long should the celibacy last before going by? Dog. This is it.
Hey, Ndiklo, this is it.
How long have you?
I've been single for what, 4 months now?
It's not
a lot, but like I think I went through withdrawals because when you call it from every day to nothing at all. So now I'm like, okay, so yeah.
Okay, Katete OP.
I mean, personally, I don't necessarily believe in celibacy when it is not intentional, when it's not a choice, when it's forced, right? So you're not in a relationship, obviously you're not having sex, and chances are you don't want to have sex with like a random person. So you are kind of hopeful, you are kind of halal a relationship and cuddles. So
you can't call it celibacy.
You can't really call it celibacy because the minute you start seeing someone, chances are you're going to have sex. So it makes me wonder kwabantu abatshatileyo that have to have sex every day or every other day. Iye ithini londo kuwe.
I think there's another word you use besides celibacy. What's the other word?
I don't know.
There is another word that because celibacy is like intentionally staying away for like a long time.
That's like a choice.
Abstaining.
It's so when you abstain, I feel like that's when for me it becomes meaningful because you've made this choice and chances are you could be having sex but you choose not to, right? And so is it really celibacy when it's forced because you could break it anytime?
What do you mean it's not forced though?
You know, it's just you not being in a relationship at that current moment.
Is that even when I am in a relationship, I can just be like, my nigga, you found me like this, I'm not doing anything.
Yeah, no. You see that for me can become celibacy.
Waka was celebrate.
We can talk about it.
Waka was celebrate. Waka what man? You know what? Ndiya kucansi for unyaka.
Ebethe he could live without it.
Soze futhi.
Yeah, kodwa amvanga in the beginning esithi
Mamela ndithi andiyithandi laa nto kodwa soze ndiyeke unyaka noba unothi nansi 2 million andisoze uthi nansi 2 million uyiyeke.
Guys, doesn't sex affect you? Like I don't know. I get tired. I get like I just get drained, man.
Therapy le yakuthiwa itherapy laa nto iyanceda laa nto.
Like it's okay.
I like unrelated, but
it's very spiritual for me. Hence, man, ketungayenza sometimes lendo because like it really does affect me.
Itherapy le ya.
But
ikhulula yonke into.
Do you know what I think? I think perhaps the connection is what's spiritual. Like the physical thing, Yona. It really is just sex.
It can't be.
It is.
It's spiritual, man.
It's sex. Kumzimba. Yavuka.
So the way we ingene and then basa sithethe ku podcast going outside now.
Don't know. It was that on the podcast.
It was on the podcast.
I want to do a comedy set about that.
Okay. Sorry. Okay. At what age? Or at your age, what's the
wena utela ungaphenduli lento.
Oh yeah.
What do you
Come,
gain from being celibate? And yes, nalo nto mna nje ndiva ngoku izinto zitrendayo. Kaloku abatrendayo. Dayazi but like sensitsho ba. Like ezwe mna izinto ezigqithayo ezi.
Wena uyathanda ulenza ucansi. Uyathanda ulenza ucansi.
Andizazi.
So uyakwazi uhamba inyanga ungalenzanga ucansi.
Ukwazi kaloku ubetha inyanga fana nomuntu.
So how long? Wait.
Come on,
Khona indawo engifuna uyenza. Ndifuna ndiya somewhere. How long? How much do you have it? Like frequently? Ngeveki. How many times do you have sex a week?
I don't know.
No, answer. You can't say
like
I don't know. This week, how many times did you have it? I don't have sex. It's complicated. I'm in a homosexual relationship, so it depends. I do engage in that, but I don't really have it. So it's like it's complicated. How often do you have sex? I can't How often do you have sex? Wait, he has to answer this question. He won't. He won't. How often
is it by choice?
Yes, it's by choice. I've spoken about it so many times. I won't forget this question. I'll come back to it. I just need him to answer. Bro, wait, how often do you have sex?
Is it pansexual? No, there's a word. What is it?
I'm lesbian. I like lesbian. I'm a lesbian, right? But remember, so heterosexual, you both are receiving at the same time. With us, it's completely different, right? Because akondo endi fakayo, akondo ifak yabosi receiver so too. So I don't receive.
Why?
Because I don't know. It's not something I've thought about. I don't think I'm ready for that. The idea of it scares me.
Is that in my previous life I was bi, so I don't understand why you don't.
No, it's really I got deep. It's just that and I can figure lando.
So you're okay?
I'm fine.
It's a choice with doing things.
Yes,
and
because
then
when she's pleasured, I feel like
but you orgasm.
How?
What do you mean how you can without being like you can.
How? No,
by
it doesn't.
Stimulating the other person.
Not really. I feel like it's more of a mental thing, not a physical one. It's like it's
so
mental.
Yes. Good. Do you do it solo?
Yeah.
So you just don't want to do it with someone else?
Yes. Why?
You're in a relationship. What do you mean?
But also, let me just say, I've only happened to date bisexual people, so people who've been with men before.
Yeah, so they're perfectly fine.
Right,
with not
so
doing
they're
anything.
okay, right? And the one person who was, I was just like, no, I don't think I'm ready for that. And then, by the time I thought about it, because sometimes I think, sabe sohlukene. And so 10 ngathi yanicingela ngathi uthi you're missing out, Obi.
No, it's your choice, but it's just like, what? You're already doing it, my nigga. Like, you're already there.
But I don't do it frequently. I don't know.
Like girlfriend, what do you mean?
I wanna cuddle. I wanna kiss her. You know, kissing is an art. It's a skill. It's like the most beautiful thing you can do.
Like, what?
Ungasebenzisa clip leyana yePeter. Mama ayibona. That is so cringe. Ungasebenzisa leya clip. Don't do it. But yeah. Kutheni?
I don't know. It's like, okay, cool. No, the thing is, people sexualize lesbian sex because it's the shit. But like, you here and just not doing anything with your life.
I don't know. It's
disclaimer. Relationship now, OP.
It goes back to that thing. It's not that we have open conversations.
Don't you find people who challenge you? Because I know that when I get into a relationship, decide I'm celibate. A guy will like challenge that, like invite me to sleepovers and stuff because they want to push land by funai.
Yeah.
Like, don't you find like
I said,
just up a finger or something?
They are bisexual,
so they're more than okay,
and so they're okay. It's just like I've never really done this, so I don't really know how it works.
So you like,
and they're also scared. It's like, oh. You know, I don't think they're also ready for that.
Yeah.
And I do try and initiate that conversation. Hey, man, how do you feel about it? It's been 3 months now. It's been a year now because it's been a year with my partner. I'm like, how do you feel? It's been a year. And it's like, oh, perfectly fine. Like, it's okay.
I just feel like you're dating selfish people.
Is it really selfish, though, if you also are someone who says this is not something, yes, I don't want to. It would be different if I said Ndiafuna, because when we started I was like, I don't I'm celibate, really.
You
Maschade.
You are engaging, you're just not receiving.
Is it I don't know, it's a layered conversation. Sex in homosexual relationships, I think it's very layered and interesting.
It is layered, obviously, because you're not the first person I've met who's like does all the action but doesn't want to receive. Like, they're perfectly okay with. Like,
but I'm not closed off, because I think there's a difference. A lot of people think because I'm masculine presenting, I'd not be interested in that. But I don't think it's that form now, because it's just literally sex, dog. This is my partner, so it's not because of that. I'm not closed off to it. We'll probably revisit the conversation in a month.
It's weird and wild that you can do it by yourself but not with someone else.
But I don't even remember the last time I did it with myself. That's another thing.
Yeah, there's a lot.
Yeah, well, it was probably just, I don't remember. But also, it's layered because I don't go in. You know, I still don't go in, so even when I do it with myself.
You have a problem with.
The idea of that is
it a trauma-based thing or what?
I don't know.
Like,
I was never sexually assaulted. I don't know if I was. It's probably suppressed, because I mean, people do get assaulted as kids. So I really don't know. Could be, could not be. And I've even read about it. That's why asexual. Because in my first relationship, I was even closed off to the idea of sex. Yeah. But then my partner was like, "Girl, you need to learn. You need to learn, like, because." And I learned, because there's a relationship in Nangoya where we didn't, because Nanso like so the question I was asking you, how frequent do you have sex? Ibalekile liberal question, and uza questions konge sex lives zethu uyenza kangaphi sex, uyajola for 5 years ngo, like 10. How often do you have sex ngeveki?
I don't count.
How often, bra? Kleveki. Ukhe wayenza sex kleveki.
Tuesday today. I don't think.
Funshekisha October. But I can afumana ka October na. Yeah, we can afumana.
Yeah, no. No wonder we turn the sex life.
Deyithanda? Okay. Yanda yazi.
Because
hey, oversharing pha
I did.
Yeah, because hey, didn't put a chance.
I mean, Polila's conversations, I think, important sometimes. It's also Pride Month. Might as well just talk about it.
Okay. At your age, what's the perfect gift? At your age.
Sure. Hey, questions are.
Hey, But you don't know it.
Hey, ba umuntu onothengela amatayi emoto man.
I can do that.
Jesus.
No, I can do that for myself, so that's not what I want.
Not perfect gift for enza ifumana from
igift
kuwe.
akuthiwa ukwazi uzenzela but into nathi isinokwenzela. So ngofuna sikuthengele izitena.
Yebo umgalelo wesitena. Ngiyakhamosa sisokani ngiciphe.
Aliyabethakala uthenga amatayi emoto.
Uthi kunantsika nje.
Benson, I can do that for myself, so I wouldn't consider that a perfect gift.
Kaloku uthi perfect gift yakhe yena.
Ndivile kaloku.
Ngamthengela.
Wethu?
Ngamthengela okanye hayi cha.
Hayi ncinga uthuli lonto.
Nina nayazi payslip yami.
Okay. Kamatayi kuye. What's
money? Just give me money, bro. Like money.
How much would be a good money for a gift?
I feel like it's not practical because
La Rose
I don't know anyone who would give me la mali. So it really
never
doesn't
know.
matter.
Maybe you have a supporter there.
No, they haven't blessed me with money until this point.
Social media.
So just give me money. Londo fikelela kuyo.
So kuwe ngamatayi kuwe mali kuwe yindlu.
Yeah.
Kumi imoto.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, but
What's one thing you hate so much?
What's one thing?
What's one thing you hate so much?
we must buza his question so that uziphendule now. I think yazilibala.
Answer ngena lo bengichaza nje ba yiki.
What's the one thing you hate so much? Siqala pha ku. Yeah, but
Okay.
what do you hate?
Yes. Kabu pendula tul sorry.
One thing I hate so much, in life or what? Like just in general.
I'm thinking of a lot. Nangoku.
Okay, ungathetha again.
I hate it when people speak in capital letters. Sungola, sushauta, sukwaza. It's really not my thing. I hate that we have to work for money. Like kutheni singenofumana social grant elinganayo. Maybe 10,000 rands for everyone, and they know obawela uphangela ke angaphangela out of choice, but they wouldn't necessarily be ukubone nyanzela like masinganyanzelwa ba masiyene emsebenzini. I hate that I have to go to the gym. Okanye I hate the fact that I can't eat as much as I want to without having to go to the gym, without having to, you know, take supplements or something. And not
gain weight.
And not gain weight. Yes, if there was a way. I hate that we have to cook every day. Like, why is peka oko? You know, why is nobody subscription yokutya? There's so many things I hate, man. I hate being broke. Like, I feel like zongino zams nemali pakati. I hate being broke. Yeah.
What do I hate? Oh my gosh. I hate the fact that as people we have to be dependent on something. Again, I think we spoke about addiction, but I hate addiction. Like the fact that people also don't realize that it's a problem or it's a health hazard.
It's a disease.
Yeah. I think
you can't really control it.
Exactly. I think that's what I'm going through right now.
I hate
what
the
are
concept.
You addicted to?
Okay.
What are you addicted to?
A substance. Yeah, it's fine. We don't have to go into
I got it. I get it.
But
I probably get it if I think it is what it is.
Maybe, we don't know. Could be. Okay, cool. It's okay.
Oh,
we
okay.
Don't have to
definitely. I hate crime, guys. Why ni siba? Why ni pakabandu?
You know?
Why ni corrupt? Come on. I hate that.
One thing.
There are so many things I hate.
One.
You venting senshin.
Cut just one again.
Zidala. Ufika senbize 7.
Nah. I hate the concept of divorce because I understand. And they understand the concept of divorce.
I understand why abantu behlukana.
Yonke manlando ne-policies zayo nakule mithetho edibanise ne-divorce, and they understand ecapkele divorce. Ndiyazibona le wake up black coffee indenze ndazirealize uba yeyona nto ndiyicapkelayo into edibene ne-divorce.
I like divorce. I like that people can like
Have the
opt
option to
out.
like- Exactly.
Um,
if it's not working.
I don't wish for
The
them
thing
to
is,
divorce,
kulula for
but
nina
mama,
divorce.
there's no
I,
such.
we spoke about this last
There's
week.
literally no
Was
such
it
though.
last week or the other week?
There's no such. I
Ela.
disagree. Because
Jim,
noba indoda noba ngumfana noba intombazana umuntu onemali kwi-relationship kuzawufuneka agqibele omnye.
Ndicapukela loo nto.
So it really has nothing to do with gender. It's just that in this
senditsho
instance,
mna ndicapukela loo nto kwi-divorce ne-alimony nayezo concept ndiyazicaphukela.
awubawula usplita into zakho.
Uyabawula but
No.
ungaqala udivorce.
Mna I can give anything of my own. Andingomntu uthandayo ukuthi ndithanda ukhupha isikakhulu.
Yeah.
I would give but like uthetha ukuthi ke ngoku now that uhlukene nalo mntu still funeka umsendele 10.5.
Every month.
Bra. Ivunywa njani lo way?
Because buyenza njani ngobe nichatile?
Asithathanga mos. Okay. Shorta Steve thetha bra.
I hate pressure. I can't work under pressure.
That is so real. That is actually so.
Nyani.
Yeah.
Ndiyaqala udibana nomuntu othi akazusebenza under pressure nditsoke sithi
No,
Same.
uye utsho xa sowufikile ixesha lo le pressure uqonde man ayiyo le nto bendiyithethile le.
uthetha nje.
Yeah.
Nyansile uTastile.
I hate pressure. So ipressure ke iza ngandlela zonke nale nto manondibuza uba ndithatha nini.
Pressure leyo
Ayicakela
kuye.
loo.
Menza ngafuna utshata.
Yeah, undenza ndingafuna utshata.
Oh, for lento abantu bekubuza utshata nini.
So ukutshata it's not a competition. So xa ubona ucama kwetshatile sucima fa uba nami ndizawutshata
Mhlawumbe lo bususela ke uba kudala ujolana lo muntu ujolana naye so
sundifakela ipressure kaloku awuzundibhatalela
Hayibo i-pressure ntombi 13 years.
awusundibuze
19 ngoku.
19.
Hayi Tastiba. Akho mntu noba sakufakela ipressure ngoku.
Hayi.
Seyinguwe ngoku.
Do you know what's funny with abantu aba-data for that long? Chances xa behlukene, no, xa behlukene adibane nomnye umntu within 6 months. Say it, no, this is the one.
But my
Kodwa
cousin
usokolisa
dated
umuntu
a girlfriend
nge-19.
for 20 years. They were so like, and they were like, yo, hi guys, bayajola, bayakwazi ujola abantu.
What
That's what
what
marriage
also do you say doing?
I know.
No,
I was
so
just
like,
saying that. I was like,
Like zangamtshate.
No,
zangamtshate.
nantsi into wena Thuli nina niyalibala uba nizitshati. So now you can jol for many years simply because
Anditshata.
xana ndikuxelela inintsi into ekufuneka ilungisiwe before umtshato yabo ezinye izinto ucinga xa ungene entweni ucinga uba izakhawuleza zilungiseke ngoku.
But nje umuntu ethatha ifani yakho ngoku.
Ixesha elingaka izawulungiswa emtshatweni kodwa sekukudala nijona.
Awulungisi emtshatweni awuyilungisi emtshatweni.
Aloku before nitshate.
Yeah,
Which
uyilungisa
is
before.
le 19 years kuthethwa ngayo. Anikalungisa izinto ngoku.
Perhaps,
Enough to get married.
Siphezu kwaso.
Perhaps that's
Semaphethelweni.
even the best route because essentially uchatile uTastiba, right?
Hayi,
Because
nona yam ndiyaqala
that's what
ukuthethayo.
yabo
Ayikho
i-couples ezichatleyo too, right?
Uyimufi ke wena.
Ubra akayithandi
Without la
divorce,
pressure,
right? For
akafuni
example,
la
you don't
title.
like divorce, but if they would break up, akho need yoba mabadivorce ngoba bayehlukana. Yabo ila idea
implications. Eza implications zizawukwenzeka xa nibe kulo. Abongo xa benokuhlukana. Uzawukwenza zonke zanto ze-divorce.
Because kudala bethu
Njani?
not legally.
Universal partnership leyakuwe legally.
I think xa
And
uhlalisana
and another thing.
So funeka sijole simane sihlukana after 3 years.
Mamela uba ukhona umntu ba ukhona umntu ba mna ndikusendela imali mhlawumbe ndikusendela ama-500 qho ngenyanga
Uyakwazi
uthi
ukusekhona.
uqishe uthi mna ndicishe uyakwazi
Uyakwazi
usekhot
uyokleyima.
uthi ubana bendisapota ubani so ndifuna uqhubekeka kulaa mali yakhe
No,
izawuqeshwa
andijoli nomntu onjalo. Ba nohlukana naye lo mntu ondijola naye angandiyeka.
Tastiba
Akuzuza basohlukene ayizuya nakupublic andikho public naye animxhomi animthini akazuya police station
But
ayothini.
akayazi advice anoyifumana.
okay awukahlukana naye that's why uthethe lihlobo
No, ndiyamazi.
Okay.
So icebo
uthi wena umama kaZilu ubunohlukana naye angabheka epolice ayofuna ishare zakhe apha ku
Kalani kabinando mna wena unezinto wena ezininzi.
Yo nawe uyazazi nje bathi yo
Awunento ezininzi wena angayifumani car.
Ndingamnika nangoku into ayifunayo nantoni naye ayifunayo ndiyamnika
Oba nohlukana.
Senjo andiboni mna isizathu le nto ithethwa ngo-OBE grand yabo because nyhani mna ngokunokwam le way
OBE ingxaka kanayo tolerance 2 hours. So okay. Somkhulu
ngokunokwam nyhani ke senjo ndayenza kudala le nto nimisa ngayo because into enzenzayo
Universal Park Universal Partnership mkhulu
anangxaki uba ingantle basinovumelana naye base kwi-universal partnership leyo siphele lapho.
It's even worse nje
Sanuhlukana man.
Itheni?
It's even worse than uchata yona.
Injani?
Yonke into yakho after ucishile ikuya kuwe awunawini
akasoze ayenze loo nto ayengomntu onjalo.
Wazi umuntu wakhe uTastita. Wazi umuntu wakho.
What are clear signs of low self-esteem? Kalapha kuwe OB.
Yo, that's I don't know.
Utheke uaqhama indoda eCapitcheria yayo nobiye toilet kubibona abanye amadoda. Low self-esteem le xa umgadile umuntu wakho ba.
Unyanisile kuthiwa kutheni ekujongile
Insecurity. Okanye what if it's just trauma guys? If wakhe watyelwa etoilet ngoku funeka umlandelele because kaloku awuyazi. Because if yakhe yenzeka you could just landelela umuntu wakho because wakhe watyelwa wathi ndiyabuya baby kanti uye emotweni khona ayoyenza xa ebuya ubuya ingathi akwenzwanga nix so kuthiwa hayi mntwam the right baby so it could be trauma.
What are the clear signs? Ngiphendula wena. What are the clear signs of low self-esteem? Unai low self-esteem one? Wakanye wakho nayo?
I don't know.
It's withdrawing, like not being part of the conversation. Like uzikhuphe ebantwini mas.
So okay kame ndike ndizame because mina le nto andiyithathanga ke ndayizisa kwindaba zomtyelo okanye zantoni ndiyithathe ndayizisa kwindaba yoba for instance kwezi ndawo zokujiva ziclean kakhulu yabo ndifeel like engathi I don't belong apha yabo okanye kudala ndifuna ukukhutshwa nazo ezinye itshomi zam uba zithi masambe siye eback ndondoni ebackyard yabo the minute ndifumaniseke uba hey abantu abalapha hayi abangabasemagalini baclean too much ndiye ndiqonda uba hey
yazoyikisela chap
yazoyikisela even naxa ndikhumsha andikhumshe ngathi ndinini funeka ndicinge ndidibanise kuqala gqwebhule ke zenqoko yebo because ndinayo loo ndiyathanda ukuthi ebantwini ke hey zithembe man kodwa xa ndithetha inyani kwamna ndiqonda uba hey andizithembanga kwa ucamakho akazithembanga
yo hayibo awusongela kumngoku sathini mna
okay so ka
sogqibile
yebo so dinako apho kolocala yabo ukungazithembi sometimes.
My thing is I think my clear sign since yenza personal because yenza personal and I don't believe le ndithethwa ngabantu ngale podcast to be honest with you guys I don't believe it dibana nabantu ekrend le way yenzayo na ku comments na ku request bengena ku message request nazi 509 message request I love your show guys I love you I love you I don't believe and yazi andide ndikholelo ba inyani yabo mhlambi ke kukho into kum 80 and it deserve yabo like andikwazi uba andikwazi uba ngulomuntu wenza le way ibe iway eqhubekeke grand andikwazi uba consistent for this long ibe into egrand yabo so zonke way every time umuntu sitsho ba yeah brand buka man yeah bra akusukumbize ku podcast oh yeah so okay and I believe yabo so I believe ba it's in me akusuba ayikhonswampu yabo it's just that mna
i-background uqhela ukutsho wena uthi ihlobo esikhule ngalo emagalini
yeah sikhulele emagetho yeah and entrapped phakla magetho noba ndingayaphi na ngoba ndiseJozi bendicinga ba sacinga la 2 rooms nandikhulele kuye yabo ungekho TV now ngihleli nawo abantu dathi ndoqala bane experience iTV now babalapha ababantu baye nani babukela bedlala boxing nabo abantu ndihleli nabo apha but it's unbelievable every time I am there I am not there because kukunwethi it can't be you yabo so I think that's my
cold feet
but yenye low self-esteem like so esteem theka lo once ube ne-imposter baye bethe imposter bengazibana chance
But like,
similar manezwe because imposter has to do a whole lot more with your capabilities. Do you doubt that you're good at what you do, or do you doubt that the podcast is great?
zoyithuka lokho nje ziyakwazi coexist
That's what I'm asking, Galuk. If you're saying
Yithuka lokho
or
nami
it could be both, or it could be either or. You just never know.
Yithuka lokho phi
that's why sinabantu abanjengani because
No,
nina
right? But I relate
senijongile.
though to what he's saying now. Not
Now?
that, yeah, like guys, why did you think that I grew up in money? I did not. Nam was in Kulele Makalin, and it was just the mentality of I'm bigger than this. Eh?
ko apha makala
Ramaphosa.
kuphi Ramaphosa
Ah, Boka 5.
Oh, Ramaphosa everywhere. Naka 7 kuke Ramaphosa.
Yeah.
Yeah, Ramaphosa
Yeah,
nakubo
Ramaphosa, imagine. Why ngeke be president?
Okay, sorry. Oh, sure.
But why? I don't know why
He was not even the president. Got to Ramaphosa. It's so funny.
But like, I think I don't know. I grew up listening to Al Goamna, but that's where I work now, and I think it still hasn't sunk in. Quite modern and don't guys. It's like, oh, okay. Nandibona ngabantu bendi treat some type of way because babona umuntu omncinci onezinto zakhe, but I'm just like, I still see lamdana lona. Yeah, like I don't. You know, it's like,
is it low self-esteem?
It's not low self-esteem, but it's just disbelief about
it's not having the capacity to
take it in.
Yeah, because ingathi like this is the best it gets and it's gonna get worse. Like I don't know. Now for me, I don't want to celebrate too much because like, what if
you don't believe banizwa kwakhelwa
ukanye uzawude ufike kule ndawo but ube so lapha
poverty mindset xa ungwasemaghetto automatically uzalwa nayo noba nilala ntshile but unala poverty mindset now uthi noba ungasuswa wena la mindset yona ikwenza wenze self sabhobo xa ukwezi ndawo zigrand hi sabo then uphinde ubuyele back ke ngoku phinde ube happy ke ngoku xa upha
like mina zikhona ezachomi zami zinxibe ezajini ezishayinayo ubone ba
that is a 4K
yeah ubone xa uhleli nazo uyazixelela ba xa niphakama apha ndiyoyithenga because ndiyayi-afforda la jeni but the minute emka laa mntu awusacingi noyicinga la jeni awuzuya nokubuya kuloo ndawo because ayingubo
wena uphi utheni safarisha undoni utheni awukho perfect wena
said I'm perfect.
ungathethi ungahlobuli
Like ingxaki ezizinto, I mean nithethile, you've said enough. I feel like sabesiphinda indwenye ngoku. I also do struggle. I mean with Future Elect, I was in a room with like your great leaders, I mean the members of parliament, members of provincial legislature, like people who are accomplished, and here I am, the youngest in the room, the least educated, in fact not even educated, and I pretty much have nothing to show in comparison to everyone who's in that room. And sometimes I feel like, hey, and this one day I literally broke down in the middle of a session because I was just like, I even spoke to facilitators, but I'm just done. I feel like I can't do this. And so I also have those moments, and you work on it actively. So it's not even something I can say, do I have low self-esteem, because I'm constantly working on that. There are areas in my life where I feel like, hey, you know what, I'm not confident in that area, but the minute I realize it, I try and work on it. So I can't say low self-esteem because it's not general. It's not in every area in my life. You know, I don't struggle to walk into a room and not show up if I have to. There are people that are pretty there are people that are prettier than me. And also, Klando of being pretty, do you know, and this might sound like Ndinelo self-esteem, right? But when I look at myself, I don't necessarily think, oh my God, I'm pretty. I'm not ugly, I know that, but I don't think I'm pretty. And by way of kindness, obviously, Andy's parting out you and me or anything. But I've seen Abanda Bahle. So I'm like, thank you, bruh. You see it, but I'm like, Sudlala, because I've seen pretty.
Ku 8K guys ne ifumene into esenza ku 6K clinic 7K sizoba sizayana ku therapy so 4
yeah that's dope that's cool.
Yeah sayana ku therapy so 4 zawukhangela i-therapist siyameni siyoba nesaqala wena mkhulu kuwe ongathi umuntu unengxaki ezininzi
sizoya at the same time
yeah sizoba i-group session
but kuzobe kuthethwa ngantoni
awuthetha ngento yonke sobuza umbuzo oyi-1 sonke
sikwazi ulilelwa nguthuli pha
counseling yami next week ngizobe ndi-ready for nina xa siya kuloo
nto sowulile sonke nawe wena unengxaki nolila wena unengxaki nolila xa udilwa nawe phaa
kuthiwa lila mkhulu
an opinion you stand firmly on mna stand firmly on this thing yobana awukwazi ukuba ne-problem no-government utshisa indlela awukwazi uba ne-problem ne-institution nokurana kwe-institution utshise amagumbi esikolo awukwazi ukuba ne-problem nam yotshisa ekhaya problem yakho yi-problem yakho nam not nekhaya lam i-problem yakho norhulumente lo umvoteleyo not nendlela eyenziwe ngurhulumente so whatever it is onengxaki nayo hoya yona sukuba ne-misplaced anger yokuthi now that lingafikeleli kubani lingenasibindi sikabani mandidestroy ezinye izinto ezingenzanga nto.
Can I just come in?
I
hear what you're saying, but I feel like sometimes people are so fed up that the only way that they can get attention is by doing something that radical.
Setting a fault.
Yeah,
I'm not saying for
and also, do you realize that when people voice out their frustrations without necessarily burning or destroying anything, but the leaders will only come out after.
Then
why sibethumtu?
Also manini manje ngopula indlela ngoku
no but uthi masibethu umuntu uyayiqonda
uye lunganoyiyo masayondlela
simbulali because
uzofaka umuntu
misplaced anger now but I agree I also agree we've got no place like there's no place for like destroying infrastructure and violence in our protesting
but I understand.
Okay.
Dim
low opinion. Ithini yakho opinion.
Why nomsindo opinion sikulwa opinion
Kabethe sana lam.
Hey qamba sibuyele okay ndithi kuwe uhleke ndise pha iphinde ubuye.
What's the question? An opinion that
what's an yes.
You don't need sex in a relationship.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Absolutely agree. I also keep it light. Mine is if you are in high school, date people who are in high school. You've got no business dating someone who is an adult. So stick to your age mates. If you feel like we're now mature, chances are there's someone else who is as mature as you are. You're not the only teenager that's mature. So if you're a teenager, date teenagers. Like stay away from them.
That's tip.
Sure. Eyam indaba ihamba ngehlobo. If ukhuliswa i-single parent ibambe ngezandla zombini lonto yabo ibambe ngezandla zombini into bahlambi utatakho angabikho ayithethi into bayibe khona hlambi ngoyilento yiyo ngoku hlambi ife bekhona utatakho ebeza kubophisa izolo yentsango athi khanibophe lapha wedini yabo so sometimes ukuba utatakho abe absent kuwe mayingakuhluphi kakhulu into enjalo because everything happened for a reason, but asiyazi isizathu salondo soba kutheni kunje. Mbulela umamakho lokukhulisileyo ba ukhuliswe ngumama ba ngutata mbulela utata yakho. Shout out to single parents.
What's a motto you live by? Me is if you show up every day. If you show up every day, you never miss a lucky day.
If you show up every day, you never miss a lucky day. I like that.
What's your motto? My sister, what's your motto?
Motto makes it feel like it's something that you think about.
Yeah, like I don't know, like do it all, like push yourself, find out what you're capable of.
Don't give up.
No.
Also to know.
Do it all. I'm not saying don't give up.
Okay.
Yeah, sure, don't give, but that's not what I said. That's not what I said. Did like I said, so okay. And did you comment? Did you emsa? Did you crochet? Did you rengi? So
yeah.
Because I'm complex. I'm not just one person. I'm not just a journalist. So do it all.
What's
Pusha, Panda,
Play. I think there's a saying, yes, a Bible, and there's the Funda, but iti do unto others as you would like them to do unto you. Also, just treat everyone with respect, regardless of their social standing, the money they have in their account, their race, and their age.
What's the hardest thing about growing up?
As pale as
It's realizing that the world is not what you thought it was, and the world is very unkind. It's having a lot of knowledge and, you know, being bothered by things that wouldn't ordinarily bother you if you were just ignorant and if you were younger. So it's really having to, like,
seeing the world for what it is.
Yeah, to be independent and stand for yourself. Yes, we pride ourselves in being independent, but it's a lot. I think the world's a lot generally. So,
okay, what's the hardest thing about growing up?
Yeah, yabona ukuba ngutata umntana okanye ukhulisa kunzima man, because izinto odibana nazo uye ungabe awubungenayo iformula like yokhulisa, yeah, because uAlphele unento ezininzi ngozibunxaka, yabo. uAlphele lentwana yami, yabo. So izinto enizothuka nqona hey oledi ke ngokukhuliseni khanga ngixalelekile, yabo nali, yabo, but ke kuzaba grand.
Hardest thing about growing up?
We answered together.
18.
It's growing up. Exactly. It's like having to do everything yourself. If I wasn't grown, it's it's realizing that the life that I want is
okay. So
and even
you just rushing through our answers.
Because he
closed it off nicely. Maybe you should just cut it here, like there.
So better.
What's the hardest thing
about growing up
for when?
It's not having a father and a mother. Nguwe ngoku awunawo umuntu ohaya apho nguwe ngoku okufuneka ube nguwe. Yonke into ngoku ixhomekeke kuwe. Awunawo mama uzamfonele olethi kanthandazisa man. Hey, nguwe yonke into zithandazise ngokwakho. Yonke into yenze ngokwakho ngoku awunamntu ulonely. That's the hardest thing about growing up.
And that's what children have. Hence being an adult is just the pits.
I'm not joking. No, I'm not joking. But like serious, to be honest with you, serious. I was trying to think, bana, if nenohlukana in the medium, so 50% will bomb umkile gone. Utobani xa enothi bra ungaphinda uzaba. 80% will bomb gone. What will I be doing? Yabo? Andinayo anyway enayo enothi ezindawo zithu xa sinoz zisuke zenze zivale ngemini eyi-1 because it's possible uba bangatsho bayi-2 ngemini eyi-1 futhi ba hey ndoda this is it and then that's it
for whatever reasons also
ungangcono awuthethi nasomayikhini
ungangcono ungatsho ufezekisa iphupha likaMamakho.
Okay.
Balegqwetha.
Okay, sure.
Because ngoku into ezikwenza busy zezi sila.
But kaloku ufuna ukhethe lonto nje.
But ayikho right.
Because akafumana
Wa waste ixesha lakhe wafunda kangaka.
No, but he still has the ayizophelela la degree. He still has the option to go back if it doesn't work out, but it's working out. Azinongcama into zethu sibe lapha kanti senze nonsense.
Amehlo ayaphela ngo ku-edit.
Tell why we devils.
He sounds like latata uthi wecula mntana yami kodwa indlalo. Xa ubhadlile ubuye wenza
Last
right.
question ngesivana.
Yeah.
What's an insult that sounds like a compliment?
Awutyebe, yo, you've gained so much weight.
Usisituji wena.
Oh, stufuza. Zonke zazinto.
Umntathu uyayekela
Kuthiwa Israel uyaphi na ntombi uleqaphi ngalomzimba? Benza uleqaphi. Ndiyakwazi ubaleka qala ngalomzimba like kwenzeka ntoni?
Stufuza. Ligama lisuka lithi
No,
stufuza.
I have no idea, bro.
Wait, what's the question?
What's an insult that sounds like a compliment?
Or that, yeah.
Oh, yeah, that.
Oh, what's a compliment that sounds like an insult?
It's the same thing.
Umhleka mhlanje.
Yeah, that. But bengafuna uza lonto because that's like the common thing. Meaning that you guys even book a comment, but I don't know.
Usisituji wena.
It's saying bana.
People say that I don't look like my voice.
So awuyazi uma uyithathe njani lonto?
No, they like my voice on radio.
But you don't
But
look
they
like
do,
it.
yeah, I think
So
they're
if you like my
expecting- I think
it's
they're
really-
when I do the thing, I think they expect like I don't know because I don't indaba
Kumnokunike i-compliment emitrend. Kumnokunike i-compliment emitrend ba. Jine what a great addition namnala nencane voice yakhe.
Oh yeah, I did see like excellent.
Oh uye wayibhala?
Did I'm
Oh wayibhala phela wayibhala. Ebeyitsho in real life belihlala emitrend.
That's dope.
I saw that excellent. I
Fans
responded.
at Joburg.
Yeah, bendipha kaloku ndiye pha kuye wathi ba that's a great addition amncane voice yalamntana. Andiyazi
Akakho
kanti
single
wayibhala.
chum.
Awuchatile.
Yo yabona ke.
Skis.
Because ndiphendule la.
Baphele bu-celebrate.
Babakho akho nix abupheli.
Baphela ubu-celebrate.
Abupheli.
Hayi buzo.
Celebrate
So
ndijola.
another thing enye into kuthiwe bana i-right lena yakho because ezi zinkulu zibhlungu.
So yakwincinci.
Phi ke wo. Phi. Kule
Why ufuna ipelenti? Yena ndijongile.
Cinga into
Hayi bo.
zasebusuku ngoku. Good night.
Hayi ndisethi into ibifunde ubibhalo
Uzana
ngaqhama.
kamakhulu wakho.
Ngaqhama betshilo wathi it sounds like a compliment. I-right wena chom lena yakho yeva because ezi zabanye sezizinkulu.
Yo,
Sezizinganiphathi kakuhle.
sure. But it is a compliment because ezinye zimbathi
right size.
kahle. It's okay. Go wrong.
sure bafethu masirep
Ufuna
kaloku.
sina ngezimanga ngoku.
Ubani hayi bo. Jonga mna ngokanifunda ndiyasifunda sithi ngalo line. Yabona namhlanje
Thulisile. Uzohamba no-OB ne.
Closing.
Uya ka 8.
arguments. Yo, into zokuqhala basekhona.
Uya ka 8 ntwana.
Hayibo asoyithela ngoku.
Closing remarks. Closing remarks. Cinga uhamba.
Ndrekisa la. Hayidabu. Hey, fed up. Okay. Okay. Know when to admit when you're tired. Like give your body a rest and be like you know, as someone who always does like everything and a lot of things all at the same time, I struggle to find time to rest and I struggle like to just but sometimes you just need to rest. Sometimes you just need a nap and to eat and just take care of yourself and then come back stronger. Yeah. I think I need a vacation.
Washa. Save one. Thixo enze icebo kufike ingelosi enemali so that you can just go on a vacay. Can we switch it off and just...
Papa yini guys injalo lento so bonana kwixesha elizayo ndiyemuthipa intwana yenu I'm out.
If you show up every day, you never miss like a day. This has been the Naifu Podcast Players Edition. We are out.
We out, my dog.
This podcast has been proudly brought to you by Leptronic Solutions, recorded at the Block Studios. And if you want to use our facilities, get in touch with us on all our social media platforms, Leptronic Solutions. Email us admin@leptronicsol.com.